Hello and welcome to our Year 6 Leavers Assembly. The children have adapted really well to our COVID restrictions as they currently are, and they've put together a film for you to enjoy, and I hope it's something that they can refer to and look back on and watch over and over again to remind them of their happy memories at Woodcot. So I'll hand you over to the children.
We've been together for 7 years, sharing our hopes, dreams and fears.
Sharing a journey,
laughing and growing.
And now off to secondary school we are going.
As school years go, this one has been tough.
We're working at home in the online stuff.
It has not been the final year we had hoped.
We're amazed at our strength and how well we've coped.
What we have learned in a time like this
is what's truly important and the friends we miss.
Hold on to the memories that we have shared, remembering friends and those who cared. The class of 2021 will hold a place in our hearts for the colours we've shown from the very start.
We have carried on regardless as the spirit has changed, and continued on when things were strange.
We're moving on to somewhere new, filled with confidence you need to see through.
From all at the school, we wish you the best.
Smiles and hard work will be our key to success.
So Year 6, can't believe that it's the end. It's been another slightly strange year. We have done something different to the usual Leavers song again. And I know you haven't seen this yet, but we did have a lot of fun putting it together, so enjoy.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through, that I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way, from where we began.
You know we started.
Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Tell you.
When I see you again.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong, and what's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond, and that bond will never be broken, the love will never get lost. And when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn, and that line is what we reach, so remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
Let the light guide your way, yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home. Oh, it's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Oh, there's a certificate here of appreciation for Bradley Brighton.
Oh, let's have a look. Oh, in recognition of most likely to become a famous scriptwriter because of his great writing skills. Well done and good luck for your future.
Well done, Bradley.
This certificate is appreciation of Henry Pilgrim in recognition of most likely to become a famous footballer for your amazing skills. Well done, Henry. Certificate of appreciation. This certificate is awarded to Colby Thornton in recognition of most likely to become a star on the big screen and win an Oscar. Well done, Colby!
A certificate of appreciation. This certificate is awarded to Ella Gibbons in recognition of most likely to have a piece of artwork displayed in the National Gallery. Well done, Ella.
Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate is awarded to Lexi Hughes in recognition of most likely to become a financial advisor with her ability to mentally calculate quickly and accurately. Well done, Lexi.
This certificate of appreciation is awarded to Sky Peak in recognition of most likely to become a superstar cheerleader. Well done, Sky.
This is a certificate of appreciation awarded to Dylan Barnes in recognition of most likely to design his own computer game with the combination of his mathematical and artistic ability. Well done, Dylan.
I'm sure that's not right. Where's Jayden when you need him? He was always around to help me with the answers to the maths activity in the morning in Year 6. Jayden, you're an amazing mathematician, and as a result of that, I would like to award you this certificate in recognition of most likely to become a maths professor. Well done, Jayden.
Oh, this is a certificate of appreciation, and it is awarded to Alexis Tunstall in recognition of most likely to become a famous netball player, as she has always been such a talented and committed player. Well done.
Ooh, 17 take 2. I wonder what the parts could be. Now, I know someone who could help me, and that is Callie Regan. This is a certificate of appreciation to Callie Regan in recognition of most likely to become a teacher because she always likes to help others. So if you ever need any help, Callie, you know where to come.
And I am here at Woodcot School with our latest round of News Round, and this makes me particularly proud because I remember a little boy in reception class who was extremely shy. I wouldn't say boo to a goose, but I have a certificate of appreciation awarded to Eden Mortimer in recognition of most likely to be a TV presenter with his clear voice and confidence. Where did that come from? Best of luck, Eden.
So when I was at school, when I was doing my A-levels, I did architecture as a subject, and I've always loved drawing plans, see? And I'm just wondering if I could get some help from somebody, because I understand that he's going to be an architect, or wants to be an architect. It's Charlie Osborne, who's got a certificate of appreciation being awarded in recognition of most likely to become an architect with his talent for design and technology. So, you know, got any plans?
This certificate of appreciation is awarded to Kyra Patterson in recognition of most likely to become a famous novelist because of her love of writing.
About honesty and integrity.
my goodness, there's such good plot lines. I can never figure them out though. I really need somebody who thinks beyond, you know, the literal and can figure stuff out sometimes. Oh wait, I've got a certificate here for George Bettesworth. In recognition of most likely to become a detective inspector because he always thinks beyond the literal. Well done, George. I mean, I love watching football, but I don't know all the rules. I really need somebody to explain how you play. Somebody who's good at sort of teaching and sport. I wonder who that could be. Oh, wait a minute. I've got a certificate here for Esme Annis. In recognition of most likely to become a PE teacher because of her love of sport. Well done, Esme.
Wow, that's amazing. Who built that? Oh, hold on a minute. Oh, this is a certificate awarded to Joe Watson in recognition to most likely become a civil engineer, as he's always loved to make and build things. Well done, Joe.
Certificate for Ava Beckenham in recognition of most likely to become a designer with her artistic and practical talents. Well done, Ava.
Certificate for Bobby in recognition of most likely to become a lawyer because of his sense of fairness and justice. Well done,
I
Bobby.
have a certificate of appreciation for Aidan Graham in recognition of most likely to become a policeman because of his sense of right and wrong. Well done, Aidan.
This certificate of appreciation is for Theo Hughes. It's in recognition for most likely to become a comedian, as he always likes to make others laugh. Well done, Theo. Good luck at senior school.
I'd like to award this certificate of appreciation to Joshua Anthony Mayer in recognition of most likely to win Mastermind because of his encyclopedic knowledge. Hope you can spell it. Well done, Josh.
I've got a certificate of appreciation. This certificate is awarded to Lacey May Wright in recognition of most likely to become a midwife because of her caring nature. Well done, Lacey.
I have a certificate here that says this person will win the certificate for being the most likely to become a fashion designer because of her excellent drawing and sewing skills. Well done, Ruby Cartwright. We look out for you.
Oh, I've really hurt my arm.
Put a wet paper towel on it.
Oh, yeah, wet paper towel. You're such a good doctor. Oh, what have I got here? Oh, it's a certificate of appreciation for Beth and Lily in recognition of most likely to become a doctor because she is kind, caring and hardworking. Well done, Bethan.
So I've got a certificate here of appreciation for Autumn Roberts in recognition of most likely to become an actress because she loves to perform. Well done, Autumn. I look forward to seeing you on that red carpet at the Oscars ceremony. Well done.
Oh, you know who I can think of that will be on Dragon's Den one day? It's Kayla. And in fact, I've got a certificate here, Kayla, for you, in recognition of most likely to become an entrepreneur because of her bright and inquiring mind. Well done, Kayla.
Oh, this game stuff was really hard. Oh, that reminds me. I have a certificate of appreciation to James Hare. This certificate's awarded to James Hare in recognition of most likely to become a computer game designer as he is so technically minded. Well done, James.
So I've got a certificate of appreciation here for Sam Ryan in recognition of most likely to become an IT expert because he's so technically minded. If we'd known, we could have saved a fortune on our computer technicians.
Well, Year 6, what can I say? What a year we've had, what with COVID, lockdowns and class bubbles, but you took it all in your stride. And when we came back to school, all of us together in March, you approached your learning with enthusiasm and resilience. We are so proud of you. You're more than ready to go on to your next stage of education at secondary school. Keep smiling, keep learning and stay safe.